Arrive in style with this 2012 Nissan Rogue SV. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, side curtain airbags, steering wheel mounted cruise control, 6-way power driver's seat, variable intermittent windshield wipers, vehicle security and immobilizer system, 4.3-inch color display, driver front passenger frontal airbags, and front seat mounted side airbags. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.